Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. Today's video I'm going to work on this chest of drawers I have behind me. I got this chest of drawers on a Facebook marketplace for $20. I have no idea what I'm doing with this. Let's go to start and let's go to see what I'm doing with this. I got this chest of drawers on the Facebook marketplace for $20. It's like that cubby. Some hardware is lost. The lock inside the drawers is in pretty good condition, no bad. The top has some deep scratch. The side has this big hole here. The back is in pretty good condition, is solid wood, all solid wood. Now it is this. First I'm going to remove the hardware. I'm going to replace this hardware because I don't like this. And some miss. I'm going to cleaning. And at the same time, I'm going to check what's wrong with this, if have something needed to fix or not. I'm going to wash the top with Dixie Belle in Manatee gray, and I will see. going to use this stencil from Redesign Prima. This is my first time I use this big stencil. I'm going to use Minwax to protect my drawers inside, and for protect my piece, I'm going to use wipe on poly in clear satin. I'm going to apply with a brush, but you can use a rock if you want. Another cool thing, I bought this key on Amazon, comes package coming too, and I'm going to try if this lock works. Works. You can see this works. Let me try the other ones. Before the final reveal, I want to thank you all for your love and support. This month marks a year since I started Flip Furniture. I'm so excited to celebrate a year of Flip Furniture. I am collab with Sarah from 445 Designs. No miss, next week will be fun. is done. I'm so in love how this little dresser comes out. I love the color. I love the top and these edge marks. I really love the top with this wash. I love this little detail. If you enjoyed the content like this, please like, share and subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next one. Bye.